Hi all. So today we are going to focus on two-column function in Excel. So two-column function converts an array of data into one particular column of data. So let's say we have data in the form of columns data 1, data 2 and data 3. So if I want to convert it into a single column of data, I'll write equal to two column and I'll select the array. So my data is being organized in the form of rows. So it is 137, 247, 201, then 126, 219, 289. So scanning by rows is by default. Now let's look at one variation. Suppose instead of 277, I have an empty data. If I scroll down across the two column output, I see that 0 comes over there. Now if I want to ignore this empty data, I'll write comma. In ignore, I'll put in 1. So this empty element will now be ignored. So now if I scroll down, I won't find that 0. Second variation is, suppose instead of scanning by rows, if I put in comma 1, rather if I put in true, it will be scanned with respect to columns now. Now if I look at my output, it is from 137, 126 till 126, then from 247 to 276 and 201 to 281. So this output is now showing with respect to scan by columns. So this is the variation we have in the two column function. One more thing needs to be kept in mind, that two column function works only in Excel 365. So in case this video was helpful, please do like the video and please subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you guys for your valuable time.